There she goes, off into the sun. Off on her Pokemon adventure. She must be after water Pokemon.
Yeah.
Are you going, sister? What are you doing?
I'm going.
You don't have to, honey. Funny sister. Girls are doing great.
I'm so wet.
I know every time you paddle, it splashes water on you.
No. Oh, sweet. We can get back.
Are you done already?
No.
Oh, okay.
I need to stand up.
You girls are getting really good at this, aren't you?
Soon, I'm never gonna forget. It's so easy though. How are you gonna forget? Like, it's so easy to skate. I forget how to do it. Back out.
What you doing, sis?
The only thing that I don't like about kayaking,
Yeah.
your butt
Don't let the
gets
kayak
wet.
go, though. Yeah, your butt does get wet.
I think it's. I'll take that.
Are you guys done? Or are you getting back in?
Back in.
Okay.
Yeah. Mom,
Hmm?
somebody over there, they have a slide on their dock.
That would be fun.
Maybe they'll eat the stuff. They're getting on the bottom of my feet. It's so weird. And they like go like this.
Bumping your feet.
Yeah. But they're actually eating your like dead skin, right?
I don't know if they are. That's so cute. They like your little feet.
They're like giving me kisses. Hey, and it tickles.
You
Can you like kiss me but not like tickle me? Scared them. They're being brave, like
scared them.
like I'm brave.
What, sis?
That was so hard. Oh no, don't scare
Why?
the fish. Because I paddled against the current and it's so hard. Mom, look, there's like these yellow ones now coming in.
Yeah, I can see that. Did she like it?
Gabrielle, Mom, come over here. Mom's foot is getting eaten by all these fish.
Hmm?
They're like swearing around her foot. I'm gonna take the wait, not yet. No, I want to see. It's swarming her.
What are you seeing, honey?
I want to see what happens to you. Oh my gosh, how'd you do that? Her foot
I don't
is
know.
like. Be right by Mommy.
Help me get in so I don't fall, honey.
I'll help you get out.
Mom, don't leave. Why are they getting under my feet?
I don't know. I gotta go help Nana, though.
Get all the way up on hers?
Yeah, she got out herself and then pulled it up.
How did she? Oh, she got, okay.
Yeah.
How did she? These things are cute little, Amanda.
Yeah.
You do something. Henry did. It's so cold. There you go, I did.
Is it cold? Does it feel warmer than the pool or the same or
I don't know
cooler?
how the pool feels, but this is
I bet it's a little
warmer
cooler.
than yesterday.
I bet it's a little cooler than the pool.
It's like a lake. Is this a lake? Or an ocean?
I don't know.
I think it connects to the ocean.
I think you're right.
Look at those. Oh, fishing.
Oh, you're swimming.
You can't do it.
and the fishes.
I know, they're like, oh, nobody's ever swam here.
Have you guys jumped off?
Oh, you didn't
Oh, yeah. Carefully jump off. Okay.
They like to eat us. We're getting chased away. Oh, I don't want to go.
Yeah.
Well, Mom, you said don't my kayak. Oh, you said don't get wet. The water got wet. I poured some on my kayak. You look like a trickster. Say goodbye to your loved ones. Help me, my lovely fans.
Hi, guys.
Hi, look, we found floating turnips, and now they're worth everything. Give me my turnip!
They're radish, you guys.
Turnips. Give me my turnip! Give me my turnip!
No, they're mine now.
I have
Did you guys like the kayaks?
Actually, I got it the whole time. Are you
I'm gonna
coming
go
out
do
soon or
it.
what?
Yep, I'm going right now. You did? All three of you guys were?
Yeah. I did though.
Carefree.
I don't like that. I'll drown.
Yep, left in the back.
Really, you think I fall with you so I
Oh, she's so cute. It's a radish.
It's a turnip.
It's actually a rabbit. Aren't turnips like purple?
I don't know. I think they're white or purple, yeah.
It's a turnip.
I'm just making us like hurt.
Tipsy. Yeah.
Get your feet in the kayak.
There. Full speed ahead.
I need the turnip.
Just get water on me.
Look at that cute kid on the dock over there.
You gotta swim home.
No.
We're about to bump into Amanda because of you.
Let's go. Go
Full
get.
body
Let's go.
in. Full body in.
Thank you. You could put your legs. They gotta be in the front though, so that way. There you go. Now you're even. I'm gonna go get that kid on the dock.
Turnip.
I'm coming. I'm coming for you, Fifi.
I want my turnip. No.